This place is ground zero for the debates about the age of the Grand Canyon. And what they tell us is these deposits were derived from the immediately adjacent ranges in the Basin and Range. It's very well exposed because it's now been incised and laid bare by the Colorado River. We can walk around and say there was no Colorado River here at the time those sediments were deposited. They're called the Muddy Creek Formation. In the time period, we now have ash layers we've dated in the Muddy Creek. We know that that sequence of deposits was filling the Basin and Range tectonically stretched basin from about 25 million until about 6 million. And in all of those deposits, many geologists, Chester Longwell, Elliot Blackwelder, Ivo Lukita, Jim Faulds, these people have walked every inch of this basin, and there is no evidence for a Colorado River, any major river, draining through this region until after 6 million years. So that is geologic evidence that the river and the canyon that's carved by the river are younger than 6 million years. If you work around this area a little bit more, you'll find the first gravels do show up under basalts that are 4.4 million. And you say, okay, I recognize these gravels as the same ones that are in the modern river. They came from the Rockies. So the Colorado River was here at 4.4 million, it was not here at 6. So that's where you hear this 5 to 6 million year age for a young Grand Canyon. Anytime you talk about canyons, you have to worry about the water budget. Where's the river? Where did it come from? Where is it going? And the sediment budget. Where did all the sediment that these rivers carry get deposited? So the Muddy Creek is not a place that was depositing Colorado River sediment. It was just local material. But if we go to the Gulf of California, we show the first arrival of sands that look like Colorado River sands and have Colorado Plateau fossils. They show up at 5.3 million. So we're very clear that the Colorado River in its present form first reached the Gulf of California between 5 and 6 million years. And before that there was no river here, and therefore we say there was no through-going Grand Canyon. There may have been paleo canyons and obviously earlier topography that the river made use of as it found its way to the sea, but there was no Grand Canyon before 5 to 6 million years ago.